Introduce a TWS Bluetooth earphone with replaceable battery. Comes with a replaceable magnetic mini lithium battery. Sliding wear. The earphones are designed with a 5-degree internal pressure angle, providing direct sound to the ear canal. Multiple connections can be made, allowing for easy switching between mobile phones and computers. Thoughtful necklace storage battery pendant. Fully open design ensures safe use. The design of all silicone gel is not afraid of strong breakage, comfortable and stable. The waterproof ability of IP5. Equipped with a micro-sensing system, it responds upon touch, making it easy to control. Unique dual-mode solution, main chip plus power amplifier chip, outputting surround sound. Apply dynamic equalizer EQ algorithm to automatically adjust the ability of low and high frequencies, balancing the quality of sound. Small stature and large functionality.